This video is about exponent rules and practice. Number 1, product rule. To multiply when two bases are the same, return the base and add the exponents. So we have x to the third power times x eighth power means x to the 11th power. We add exponents. Remember, when you do the operation of power, base never change. Base never change. Therefore, for the b, 2 to the 4th power times 2 squared, that will be 2 to the 6th power. For c, check each base. For x, 2 plus 3, that's 5. Y will be 1 plus 4, it's 5th power. For quotient rule, when divide to power, we subtract the exponents. When you do the subtraction of the exponents, make sure we use greater exponents to subtract the smaller exponents. For example, x to the 5th power x squared. 5 minus 2, that's the numerator. That's how you get the x to the 3rd power. But for b, 3 to the 3rd power over 3 to the 5th power, you have to use this 5 minus 3. So we do the 3 squared as denominator. I got 1 from the top. For c, look at the x. X is 2 minus 1. You have to put the top. That's x to the 1st power. Look at the y part. Y 5th power, that's a denominator. So 5 minus 3 will be squared. Number 3, zero exponent rule. Y to the 0 power is 1. Any number to the 0 power is 1, no matter how complicated the base is. We have power rule. Multiply the exponents. So x third squared, then x to the 6th power. 3 squared, then 4th power. That means 3 to the 8th power. Z will be 10th power. For number 5, expanded power rule means for each base you have to do the mth power. For x over y to the mth power, you have to do x to the mth power over y to the mth power. For example, a 2, you have to do the 3rd power, then a 3rd power. That's how you got the a to the 3rd power. For b, 6, you have to do square. Then x, you have to multiply by exponents, that's 6th power. So you got the 36x to the 6th power. For c part, I got x to the 8th power, then y to the 4th power. For d, I got 2 to the 3rd power, x 3rd power, 3 3rd power, y you have to do 6th power because 2 times 3. So you will get 8x 3rd power, then 27 y to the 6th power. For negative exponents, basically we flip the numerator and the denominator. For example, x to the negative mth power, I can write down 1 over x to the mth power. Then put over 1, then drop down. Then you need to change the sign of the exponents. For 1 over x to the negative mth power y, flip to the top. Then we got the x to the mth power. For xy to the negative nth power, you flip y and x. See, this is y over x, this one is x over y. Just remember, when the exponent is a negative, you have to flip the numerator or the denominator. Then change the sign of the exponents. Look at the a. Write down 1 over x to the third power. For b, write down 1 over 4 squared. That's how we got the 1 over 16. For c part, focus on negative exponents. So drop down the negative exponents. Negative 4 x to the fifth, you stay. Only flip the variable with the negative exponents. So you got the y squared. For the d, basically this is negative exponents, so I need to flip the base y over x squared, then you change it into third power. Then do the normal power rule. You got the y to the third power and x to the sixth power. So for e, first of all, we do the multiplication. You got the negative 6 x negative 2 plus 1 is x to the negative first power. For the y part, you will get the y first power plus negative 3, that's negative second power. Then you will drop down the negative exponents. So negative 6, you go to stay. Then x to the first power, then y squared. That's your answer. For number f, first of all, we just check which variable has negative exponents. For a, you will drop down. So you will get the a squared. For c, you go up. You will get c to the fourth power. Then for d, you will go up, d to the first power. B3, you need to stay because it's a positive exponents. Don't change the position. Only for those variables with negative exponents, you need to change the position from numerator to denominator or from denominator to the numerator. Look at the J part. First of all, I will change into negative 2x squared y to the fourth power. Do square. Then I got the 1. Then this is a power of a power. So negative 2 squared is a 4. X to the fourth power. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. Now we'll have negative exponents here. So we jump to the top. You will get y to the 8th power over 4x to the 4th power. That's the answer. Caution, negative x is not equal to 1 over x. For example, negative 3 not equal to 1 over 3. And for negative 3, why you have parentheses squared means 9. If you didn't put the parentheses, that means negative 9.